Question number 12. Find the length of each side of the triangle formed by plotting the points -3, 5, -3, -2, and 4, -2. So they want to know the length of every side of this triangle, and before we can do that, we're going to have to plot it on the coordinate plane. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, x comes first, y comes second in coordinates. So the x value is -1, 2, 3, +1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is our first point. I'll make it nice and big so we can see it. We've got -3, -2. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 on the negative. And class, be careful on your graphing. Double check your graphing after you put the points on there, because if you plot a point in the wrong place, the answer is not going to be correct. Let's go ahead and connect these points together. I'll see if I can use orange, see if that shows up. Okay. So there is our first leg of our triangle. Here's our second side, or in this case, second leg. This is apparently going to be a right triangle. And here is our hypotenuse. And we'll go ahead and label this as a right triangle because clearly the two legs are horizontal and vertical. Okay, the good part about a right triangle is, in this orientation is, we've got a vertical leg. All we got to do is count the units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The length of that side is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The length of this side is 7. And I should ask you the question, how do you figure out the length of the side of a right triangle when you know two of the sides? The answer should be, of course, we use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to go ahead and figure out a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We don't know the hypotenuse. That means that the c value is not going to have a number. We're going to be solving for c. This is going to be 7 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. 49, 7 squared is 49, so 49 plus 49 is equal to c squared. 49 plus 49 is 98 equals c squared, and we've learned that to get c by itself, we have to square root, because a square root undoes a square, and we're going to end up with c being equal to the square root of 98. Now let's go ahead and convert that to a decimal so we can write a decimal answer in there. So I'm going to put approximately. Let's figure out the square root of 98. Square root of 98 is approximately 9.9. So I'm going to go ahead and write our answer is C is equal to 9.9. Let's go ahead and label that on our triangle. The length of the hypotenuse is approximately 9.9. So have we answered the question? Find the length of each side on the triangle formed by applying the points. Yep, number 12 is done. We've found the length of the three sides of this triangle.